Before you start cleaning or pre-processing information, you need to be acquainted with the structure of the data first. So, in this video, we aim at making sure that you are aware of the three main types of data, according to their organization. We can categorize data as structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. But first things first, what is a data structure? Think of it in abstract terms for a minute. When you are given some data, you want to be able to obtain specific pieces of information from it. So, the better the structure in which the values have been stored, the easier it will be to find what you are looking for. For example, two very common indicators that can help you find the information you are looking for quickly and efficiently are rows and columns. I am sure that you use them daily in your analyses. So, now you know why we are using data structures. With that in mind, when you first hear the term data, the image that would probably pop up in your mind are tables containing numeric or text values. Therefore, when we are using such data structures, we are talking about structured data, sometimes called traditional data. Not only has such traditional data been arranged in tabular form, it can also be stored in databases and can be managed from one computer. That's why, in the larger context, this type of data is referred to as structured data. Its clear structure can really facilitate your access to a specific data value. Examples of where such data can be stored in practice is an Excel spreadsheet, an SQL database, or a Pandas data frame. That said, you will be right to think that if there is structured data, there will be unstructured data as well. Unstructured data refers to information that is organized in a way that makes finding a specific piece of it actually hard. Here we are talking about formats like video, audio, photos, presentations, web pages, text, and more. Just think about looking for a photo on your phone. You can only have your photos ordered by date of creation. The rest is your will to find that photo. There is also a middle ground here, the semi-structured data. To properly describe it, we must get more technical, and that's not something we really need to do at this stage. It's enough to remember that structured data is rather based on using relational databases. In contrast to that, semi-structured data is more about using different patterns for storing and organizing the data in a way that makes it easier to access and analyze. Finally, you have probably heard about big data, and I believe you are waiting for us to mention it. Big data often refers to extremely large datasets that have been allocated on multiple computers. However, there are other characteristics that can define it as big: velocity, volume, variety, and other words starting with V. What's important to note is that the categorization we use so far, structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, applies to big data too. All right. In this course, we will be focusing on traditional structured data only, but you must know that the majority of the tools we teach can be to your benefit if you are working with semi-structured or unstructured data, as well as big data too. Thank you for watching.